Hello everyone, it's good to be here to talk to you about our annual performance for the year F16. Let me begin with how the tractor industry has performed. This industry, as we all know, has its share of ups and downs. And even though that does happen, there continues to be a very healthy CAGR. Over the period of more than 4 decades, that's F73 to F16, the CAGR has been 7.4%. And even in the recent past, over the last 10 years, we've seen a CAGR of 6.4% in spite of a significant reduction in the last 2 years. There were low sentiments throughout this year, caused due to monsoon being delayed, strong El Nino effect and low Kharif sowing. There was pressure on prices, which impacted the profits the farmers made. Our domestic volumes degrew 8%. The silver lining as we ended the year was that Q4 saw a very good bounce back and saw a growth of 19% for the year. Moving on to our own performance, this is the 33rd year of us being a leader in the domestic tractor market. The market share of F16 was 41%. It's the highest market share over the last 4 years, and we gained 1 share point in F16. Some of the actions that we took to help our market share grow were related to the launch of new tractor models. We launched 4 new models under Mahindra and 2 new products under the Swaraj brand. But the most interesting part was that we launched Mahindra Yuvo, a technologically advanced tractor, and possibly the only launch in tractor industry spanning across an entire spectrum of horsepowers. It has 5 products in different horsepower segments, and we hence cater to 70% of the tractor industry. We have been in the market a couple of months now, and the feedback received across the board, dealers, consumers, and our own team has been spectacular. It is indeed a superior product. Moving on to our exports business, last year the exports volume were down by 17% compared to the previous year. We were affected by economic situations in Africa and especially markets like Algeria, which have been big tractor markets for us. And this has hence not been a very good year for tractor exports. In the overseas operations, Mahindra USA did very well. It had a revenue growth of 41%. China, however, had an industry degrowth and we dropped our revenue there by 11%. Would like to talk a little bit about our farm machinery business. India right now is not a very big market for farm machinery, but we expect this to grow. There is a huge global opportunity in the farm machinery market. The global market is $94 billion and harvesters is a big part of that at $27 billion. So we have 2 acquisitions to help us grow in this space. The first is the acquisition of Mitsubishi Agri Machinery, now called Mitsubishi Mahindra Agri Machinery. We've acquired a 33% stake there. The second part is we are in the process of acquiring 35% in Sampo Rosenlaw, which is a Finnish company specializing in combine harvester. I'll talk a little bit about our financial performance. With the volumes have been down, the revenue was down 3.5% in the year F16. In spite of a drop in revenue, we've increased our PBIT by 1.6% to rupees 1,998 crores. The EBIT margin has gone up as well from 14.9% in the previous year to 15.7% in F16. And we brought down our capital employed by about 256 crores. It's important to see how well we manage the margins consistently in a business which has high volatility. Over the last many years, while the industry growth rate may have moved from very high to very low, we have been able to deliver a consistent PBIT margin performance. We now look forward to next year with hope for a revival and, of course, counting on a good monsoon forecast.